you don't wanna keep me, did a full 180, ain't it cheeky? Think about the way I rolled, did the heart ignore me freaky? Check where I'm up, yo, I'm on Gucci already. So bounce back, it's eerie. I'm not when you ditch me, hell no. So, if you can't handle seeing me, find on with somebody. If you wanna think that anything about it, don't act up, don't show face, don't stop giving a toss about me now. Cause you know the truth, don't stop catching feels about me now. Took a book and tried to wreck me with that sayonara bulldoze. It took a minute to survive you. I'm thriving now, but nobody's fool. I'm all sorted already, so grow up, son, real steady. I'm not where you ghosted me, no cap zone. If you can't say it's in me, get in with somebody. If you wanna get yourself there, anything can stop me. Don't show your love, don't come around. Don't start acting pressed about me now. Job on, you know how. Don't stop catching feels about me now. About me now, about me now, now. Oh, don't come through, through, through. Don't show up, up. Don't start now. Don't come out. I'm not where you left me hanging, bright so. I'm not where you left me hanging, bright so. If you can't handle seeing me living it up for somebody, if you wanna play like anything, love me. Don't rock up, don't show face, don't stop getting a toss about me now. You know the score, you know the score. Start catching feels about me now. So, don't come through, through, through. Don't show up, down. So, don't come out. Don't show up, down. So, you thought you'd leave me gutted, but I'm flourishing uninterrupted. Your goodbye was meant to cut deep, but I'm soaring high on you. I'm not your doormat anymore. Leveled up, open the new door. So if you see me with a new frame, don't act shook, it's not your game. I'm living large, feeling ace. Your absence left a better space, so don't come crawling, don't you dare. I've moved on, I'm out of here. If you can't take seeing me thriving solo, if you wanna dream,